Alright, camera's on. We're rolling. I think we're good.
Yeah, which way you going, man?
I have no idea because this is all clusterfuck now. This side actually sucks.
I love your B90.
Everybody does. Who doesn't?
It's so awesome. Woo. Yeah.
It's all good. Anybody need cover? Just holler for me. That's what I was doing last round. I stormed the garage here, and there was 2 people right there. I was like, all right, let's go. You guys were calling 30 seconds. I'm like, all right, whatever. I really don't want to go on the right. I really don't know where to go, actually, on this side. You're really kind of screwed either way you go, because they have such a better advantage with that fucking bus there.
If we could get onto the side of the bus that we would be on if we started on the other side, we could light up the whole.
But that's the thing. We need enough people to cover the left side there, which that's what I'm worried about, is people letting people on this side through the bus.
Usually what I do is I run up to on this side, I run up to that high.
I'm probably going to run through the garage to the bus. That's probably what I'm going to do. Through the garage to the bus.
Oh, okay.
But that all depends. I don't remember if they can see me from the top. They probably can.
Yeah, we can.
So.
We can, because I was shooting over there.
So there's no good way. Because you don't want to go on the left side here. There's too many people that flank that side. And the problem with the right is there's so much suppressive fire on the right. So. You gotta follow me?
Oh, we got some together. How about our team?
Yeah. Smile. You're on candid camera. It's live this time. Yeah.
There's a picture of both of us.
There's no picture. It's just video, straight up.
Well, we'll see that later when we're home.
It's on 720 right now. It's not on 1080 because the frames move a little smoother on it. So. Is that you?
Yeah, let's bring out. Okay, you ready? Give me some dust. Look up the front as well. Right there? Yeah, like the right side. Oh, I understand that. Some stuff over there.
I should just stand here and just fire off in the air.
Yeah, this is what it's for. I was expecting you.
Ready! Somebody's out! Trying to etch out slowly. Nope.
Hey, you're out. Watch your helper. Hey, you're out. Watch your helper. Oh, this was already on there. I didn't know that, but you gotta watch your shots out before that. You're out. I'm sorry. I gotta call you out. Alright.
You're good, man.
Come on and run!
Wow, that smoke is heavy, dude.
I'm gonna go behind the Jeep. You ready?
Oh shit, he got me. I got shot dead in the head, man. Arrow sock. Everybody is. Who is it? You're going again.
Alex, you go down real quick. You relax. Okay, so here's the thing. We're on the second floor, fucking down behind the Jeep. Oh, the camera piece?
Yep.
Guys, let me get you